Good morning, students. In yesterday's lecture, we studied what is a sentence, what is a phrase, chapter 1 grammar. Today we are going to learn kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive, imperative, exclamatory and interrogative. I am repeating again, there are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive, imperative, exclamatory and interrogative. Assertive sentence or declarative sentence. These sentences ends with a full stop and they give us any statement. They tells any statement and they ends with a full stop. Coming on another imperative sentence. These sentences also end with a full stop. So what is the difference between assertive and imperative? They both end with a full stop, but they do not start with the same thing. Assertive sentences are the statement sentences. They give us any statement, but imperative sentences shows command, request or order. Imperative sentences shows command, request or order, like stand up, get out, go to library, give me pen please. So these kind of sentences are known as imperative sentences. But another side, like the sun rises in the east, this sentence is giving us a statement. This is telling us something. So this is called assertive sentence. Third, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a sentence which shows our sudden expressions, sudden feeling. Suppose you saw a beautiful flower and you say, wow, what a beautiful flower. This sudden feeling, this sudden sentence, what a flower. This is known as exclamatory sentence, and exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. What is exclamation mark? What is exclamation mark? I show you here. This is known as exclamation mark. Our fourth kind is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask any question. They may start with what, who, how, why, or has, have, had, do, does, did. Like this kind of helping verb also they may start, or they may start with WH family words also, like what, why, who, whom, etc. They ask a question and they ends with a question mark. Okay students, now look at this page. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive, imperative, exclamatory and interrogative. Assertive sentences gives statement, ends with a full stop. Imperative sentences shows order, command, request. They also end with a full stop. Exclamatory sentences shows our sudden feeling. They ends with an exclamation mark. And interrogative sentences ask a question. They ends with a question mark. Assertive sentences are not only positive sentences. They may be negative. They may be interrogative. So what is negative? We can change assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence in other forms also. Like we may change an assertive into imperative. We may change an imperative into exclamatory. We may change an interrogative into negative. We may change an interrogative into assertive. So we may shuffle it. So how we change an assertive into negative? Look at this page. Assertive sentence. There is a clock on the wall. If we want to change it into interrogative, the helping verb is will come at very first, like is there a clock on the wall. Points to keep remember. Here is was second word, so the letter was small. But when it is coming in the very first, now it is the first word of a sentence. Now I will become capital. Another thing, another point to keep remember. Here there was the first word, so T was capital. But when it is coming in interrogative, there is the second word. So it is not required here that T should be capital. No, T would be small and is, I would be capital because now is the first word of this sentence. And the main thing which must kept remember is interrogative sentence must end with a question mark. Suppose you have done all the sentence correct, but you have not put in question mark. The complete sentence would be considered wrong. So keep remember to putting question mark in the end. Now see few another examples. I can lift this box. Can I lift this box? Question mark. So hope it is clear. Now come here. Changing an exclamatory into assertive sentence. What a pretty flower. So we will simply change it. It is a pretty flower and end it with a full stop. As I told you, an assertive sentence ends with a full stop. So we will end it at a full stop. What a great victory. It is a great victory. End it with a full stop. Next, changing an imperative into interrogative. Go there. Go there, comma, will you? And in the end, question mark. Please close this window. Will you please close this window? Question mark. Speak loudly and clearly. Will you speak loudly and clearly? Question mark. Means if we are going to change an imperative sentence into interrogative, will comes to help it. Okay, is it clear? Now there are three exercises. Exercise number 1, it is identify and write the type of the following sentences. Means you have to tell whether it is imperative or assertive or interrogative or exclamatory. You can do this exercise. Next, change the following into negative sentence. And next exercise is change the sentence as directed. It is mentioned in the bracket that change into imperative or change into interrogative. So today's homework would be do exercise 4, 5, 6 of English grammar. I would send the photo of these pages. Yesterday's homework was do exercise 1, 2, 3. I am sending the solved pages. You may recheck your work whether it is correct or incorrect or where the corrections are required. And today's homework is do exercise number 4, 5, 6 of chapter number 1. Thank you.